Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from rational equations. X over 4 minus 12 over x plus 4 times square root x equal to 1. And we are going to calculate real solutions. So let's get started by writing our answer must be positive. Now I will multiply both sides by 4 times 4 times 4. So x minus 48 over x plus 4 square root x equal to 4. After rearranging the terms, I can write x minus 4 equal to 48 over x plus 4 square root x. Now from denominator I can take root x common out. So in bracket root x plus 4 will be there. Now x is greater than 0. I can cross multiply. So I will be writing here root x times root x plus 4 times x minus 4 equal to 48. Now I can write here x as root x whole square. Let me write equation once. Root x plus 4 x minus 4 equal to 48. Now here I can write root x whole square and 4 is 2 whole square. So I can apply a square minus b square formula. It will be equal to a plus b times a minus b. Let us apply. So I can write equation as root x times root x plus 4 times root x plus 2 times root x minus 2 equal to 48. Now our obvious substitution, root x equal to a. For real x, a must be positive. So our equation which we will write, it would be a times a plus 4 times a plus 2 times a minus 2 equal to 48. Let us write here a times a plus 4 times a minus 2 times a plus 2 equal to 48. Now we can consider two brackets a plus 2 all together, first one and last one, and the remaining two a minus 2 a plus 4 all together equal to 48. Let us multiply. So I will write a square plus 2a, and here I will be writing a square plus 4a minus 2a. So plus 2a minus 8 equal to 48. Now I can write the first bracket as a square plus 2a minus 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. It will be as it is a square plus 2a. Here I can write a square plus 2a minus 4 minus 4. It is minus 8 equal to 48. Now I can consider these three terms and here these three terms all together. So it look like a plus b times a minus b. So here we can write difference of two squares identity once again. A square plus 2a minus 4 whole square minus 4 whole square equal to 48. Now I will add 16 to both sides. Let me write this equation here. A square plus 2a minus 4 whole square minus 16 equal to 48. Once I will add 16 to both sides, a square plus 2a minus 4 whole square, this will be equal to 48 plus 16, 64, which we can write 8 whole square. Now consider square root both sides. So a square plus 2a minus 4 will be equal to plus and minus 8. Now from here I can write two equations. One with plus sign, a square plus 2a minus 4 equal to plus 8, and another will be with minus 8. Plus 2a minus 4 equal to minus 8. Or we can write a square plus 2a minus 12 equal to 0. First quadratic equation. And second equation will be a square plus 2a plus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two quadratic equations for our solution. So let me write our equations here. A square plus 2a minus 12 equal to 0. Now I will apply quadratic formula as it is quadratic equation. A equal to minus b, so minus 2, plus minus a square root of b square, so 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 12 divided by 2a, so 2 minus 2 plus minus square root 4 plus 48 divided by 2, or I can write minus 2 plus minus square root 52 over 2, or I can write minus 2 plus minus 13 times 4, so 2 square root 13 over 2, or we can write a equal to negative 1 plus minus root 13. Now there was condition on a should be positive. So we will reject this minus. So accepted a will be root 13 minus 1 only will be our real solution. Now we have to find out x. So x is equal to a square. So I will write here x equal to a square. So root 13 minus 1 whole square. Now I will apply a minus b whole square identity. So root 13 square 13 plus 1 square 1 minus 2 square root 13. So I can write 14 minus 2 square root 13. So our answer will become 2 is common, 7 minus square root 13. This will be our first solution. Now I will consider our second equation. X square plus 2a plus 4 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. I can use quadratic formula. So I will be writing here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times 1 times c is 4 divided by 2 times 1, so 2. Minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 16, so minus 12 divided by 2. Square root with negative number, we will get complex solution. Let us write minus 2 plus minus square root of negative 1 is I, complex number I. So this will become I times 2 square root 3 over 2. So x will come out -1 plus minus I root 3. Now we will be rejecting this solution as we are looking for real solutions only. So I will write rejected. So our final and only answer becomes 2 times in bracket 7 minus square root 13. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.